ETF spot has been approved. BlackRock are walking all the way to their own bank. That's just a joke. It's not very funny, but yes, today, look, Jim Carrey's so happy, he's ecstatic. So, today's video. I posted this yesterday as soon as I got a notification. It says breaking news: SEC approves spot Ethereum ETF applications. CoinMarketCap. All right, and this is the listing. So it says breaking: SEC approves spot Ethereum ETF applications. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has approved all spot Ethereum ETFs. A landmark decision on May the 23rd, the US SEC has approved several applications for spot Ethereum ETFs. There's a little quote here by James Seffart. Boom, approved. There it is. The SEC just approved spot Ethereum ETFs. What a turn of events. It's really happening. Okay. Furthermore, Ethereum experiencing a significant 18% price spike on May 21st amid fresh speculation that spot Ether ETF applications could get the regulatory green light by the May 23rd deadline. Bloomberg ETF analysts Epic Balshons and James Seffart raised the appeal odds from 25 to 75 after noticing increased chatter that the SEC was urging applications to expedite their 19B4 filings. Another tweet here says, by Eric, says, update, J Safe, and are increasing our odds of spot Ethereum ETF approvals up to 75%. Hearing chatter this afternoon by the SEC could be doing 180 on this increasingly political issue. So now everyone's scrambling like us everywhere else. They'd be denied, blah, blah, blah. That's that one. CoinMarketCap goes on to say, on May the 21st, within a 25-minute window, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, CBOE, submitted amendments to their 19B-4 filings for 5 potential Ethereum ETF issuers: Fidelity, VanEck, Franklin Templeton, Galaxy Invesco, and ARK Investments, 21 shares. Reuters reports that regulators has had asked the Nasdaq, CBOE, and the NYSE to revise their spot applications, signing approvals. The amendment filings for Fidelity and Templeton. Sorry about that. Anyway, so you can read this yourself. I'm not going to read it all to you. Basically, the launch of the spot ETF is expected to drive significant investment demand and liquidity into their market. It opens the door for both retail and institutional investors to gain exposure to Ethereum's price performance through the regulated exchange-traded product. All right, so that's that one. Let me go on to the next one. So, the SEC has approved spot Ethereum following the earlier approval of the Bitcoin ETF. So Bitcoin has just been approved as an ETF. Ethereum has just been approved as an ETF. The London Stock Exchange are accepting investments. America are accepting investments. Is this going to be the super cycle bull run of ever? The biggest ever super cycle bull run? Who knows? Only time will tell. Within about 14 months' time, we're either going to be all really rich or what else could we be? If you're in the know, you're in the know. If you like this information so far, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. I'm going to be bringing you daily content on a daily basis. And if you want to join my wait list for the VIP, where you can get everything even earlier before I make these videos, then just comment down below VIP and let me know what you think. So it goes on. A green light for Ethereum ETFs. Crypto industry celebrates a historical move. Crypto industry cheers historical move as Ethereum ETFs get the green light. Anything else to report here? I mean, if you just literally go into Twitter, you're going to see all of this like positive stuff. Ethereum, battle for returns messy in the US, what's next? Okay, so I'm going to say to you, today is the day one of the spot ETFs being approved. My man Sheldon on Crypto Banter, he is trying to say to us that there is not going to be any significant movement in the market following what happened with the Bitcoin ETF. So there's going to be a little bit of a dump, a little bit of a rearrangement in the markets, and within the next 7 to 14 days, there's going to be a up to 120% push with Ethereum, which then is going to drag up all the altcoins with it. And so we're going to kickstart the 2024 bull cycle with the Bitcoin ETF, the Ethereum ETF, and many people are now discussing whether or not the Solana ETF will get approved. If you don't know who Sheldon is, I suggest you go and check him out on YouTube. He's on Crypto Banter, and yeah, he's going to tell you everything you need to know if you want to trade with Ethereum. Next, my man Kyle Chasse posted this one not so long ago. Unpopular opinion on the Ethereum ETF approval. Insights on why ETH isn't moving and why the SEC doesn't want to comment. Key points. The 19B4 -4 approvals, not S1, only 19 forms have been approved, not S1s. Delegated authority. The approval was given to the Division of Trading and Markets on delegated authority, meaning a commissioner can challenge it within the next 10 days. Political underpinning. The process suggests an attempt to avoid a formal vote due to a political implication. Underlying strategy. So pro-crypto for ESG rules. There seems to be a strategic trade-off, pushing for pro-crypto measures in exchange for implementing ESG rules. Timing and political risk. The ESG rules need to be established before July the 1st to prevent a political change from Trump if he is re-elected. Okay, so it goes on a little bit more. So, comparative context. The FIT Act similarities. This situation is reminiscent of the FIT Act. In my previous video, if you don't know what that is, go and check out my last video. I covered that a couple of days ago. Excuse me. Viewed as political progress for crypto. The S1 approvals possible, but may think it is unlikely that S1s will be approved anytime soon. Thought developments are being closely watched. Now, if you don't know who Kyle Chasse is, I suggest you go and follow this guy because he's in the know. That's all I can say. Go and follow Sheldon, go and follow Kyle. Big up to them lot. They bring in daily news and they are people in the know. I am just bringing to you your attention as a brand new channel and obviously my research all day, every day. This is what I'm doing. So a little bonus, as you can see on the thumbnail, that I came across this post. It says, hey, if you don't know what Pepe Coin is and get based, you should know by now. I will be making a couple of videos over this in the next week or so, as it's imminent time for Pepe Coin, the original OG Pepe Coin. Anyway, so it says, Pepe Coin friends, are we seeing this? Today, the Coinbase ETF for ETH was approved. Immediately following, we see this on the front page of OpenSea.io. An official OpenSea team collab with Coinbase NFT Mint-based network. So, yeah, Bitcoin ETF was on January 10, and that was on today. Let me just show you this. So, if you click on the link here, OpenSea link, you can go and mint a free based summer NFT. There's When I minted one, it was 44,000. Now it's already gone up to 59,000. So these are getting really, really minted out. It's a free mint. It literally costs you, I think, 6.5 pence on the base chain. I don't see why you wouldn't want to go and mint this for free, because you never know what the price of these NFTs are going to be in 12 to 14 months' time. So, at mepippies.ox, here's the link. Or just go to OpenSea, mint your free NFT. I just want to cover this quickly before I go. The Otherverse. So if you don't know what the Otherverse is, it is a metaverse of metaverses, the world's most advanced metaverse. What's this got to do with the ETF? I'll show you in just a second. Bear with me. So the Otherverse. So you can build your own metaverses. You can host your own free events, host live events, immerse venues, get paid. So this is your last chance to buy a discounted membership with the Otherverse tokens. And why am I showing you this? Because it's very important. So I came across this post today. First round is not. So where have we gone? To everyone in yeah, it's this one. Let's have a look. So, to everyone in the Otherverse community, cheers. Today we have great news to tell you. You know that many of us have been waiting patiently while we have building and improving the Zion browser at our metaverse platform software. The token generation event is finally on the calendar. We have made huge progress with Zion, and we have several major updates that will happen in the lead up to the token generation event, which is, so while we improve, we plan to grow the community and launch the UTHX token in a major way mid-July. As a reward for being early, we are giving you some bonuses. Drumroll, please. We're tripling your tokens. You read that right. Wherever you thought you were going to get, you're now going to get triple the number of tokens. Okay? So you can click the link in the description. I'll have a link there for you, or you can go to their website. But what is Otherverse? Okay, it is the metaverse of metaverses. Okay, and they are launching their token in July. Let me just continue this, and I'll show you something very important. So we're tripling their tokens. So if you buy one, you're going to get free. But we're not just changing the total supply. The total supply is set forever and will never change. What will change is that we are now locking up most of the other tokens with smart contracts. New pre-sale packages and tokens will be priced at 25 to 50% higher than when you purchased, and the launchpad price will be even higher. All right, so here's a chance to triple your money for free. This is why I'm bringing this to your attention. The initial circulation supply will be less than 10% of the total, with smart contracts unlocking more tokens over a span of 10 years. So supply will remain limited, not only to the TGE, but for years to come. If you want to top up, don't miss out on the pre-sale happening now. Top up now. Okay, I just want to show you this. So this is the Jolly Green Investor. If you don't know who he is, you should go and follow him. He's 100,000 followers on X, and this is one of their pinned messages. And basically, they are really, really into this Otherverse. The ultimate. Hold on. The ultimate. Metaverse of metaverses. I suggest you go and check this video out, because they literally explain everything. The Otherverse is the next 100x metaverse, 100x coin. So if you're going to put $100 in, if you can afford to buy $100 worth, they're literally going to triple your money. So it's going to be worth 300 pre-sale, and then it's going to go up to like 30 grand by the end of this bull run. In my opinion, I'm invested in this. I have links in the description if you want to join and get triple your money. So I just saw this post and I thought I would bring it to your attention. If you like to to make money in crypto, like I know most of you do watching this video, here's your chance to triple your money pre-sale. And yeah, that's all I got for you today. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you want me to cover any other projects, or if you've got any questions, let me know. And happy Ethereum ETF spot day.